Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is a craft with me. I am going to take 3 clay pots and 3 of the clay pot saucers, and I'm going to make a tower. And it came out really beautifully, and I had a ball doing it. So I'm going to bring you along. So come on in, and let's get crafting. Now, I am not inventing the wheel here. I saw this in AC Moore before they closed. And I thought, well, I can make that. I have clay pots at home. So once again, I am crafting um, from my stash. Paint, everything was already here. Isn't it funny how much stuff we have and we don't realize it because we're always out, buying the latest thing. Oh, I like that, I like that. And we don't realize how much stuff that we already have. So this has been an eye-opening experience for me. So here you can see I'm just painting everything in this outdoor paint, and I'm using outdoor paint and sealing it because I think it would make a great centerpiece for an outdoor table or whatever. You'll see how I styled it at the end, but there's so many different ways that it could be styled for a summer tablescape. So we're going to go ahead and get this painted. You're going to watch me paint, and I'm going to let you listen to some music while I do so. And before I go, let me say this. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope that you will decide to hit that little subscribe button below, and once you do, that bell as well, so that you'll be notified of all upcoming content. And if you're one of my ride or die, you know how I feel about you. I love you, I love you, I love you. So guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to craft together this afternoon, and I hope that it will give you an incentive to craft your stash. I'm sure you've got some stuff lying around the house that you could upcycle or make it useful again. So that's what I'm doing here. So let's get it done.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibe. If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
Yeah. Empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye.
Friends, I hope you enjoy this project. There's just so many different ways that it can be used once it's complete. So it's been fun, and it is fun putting this together. So if you have clay pots in your house, here's an idea of what you can do with them. See, trash to treasure, right? Okay. So, guys, as always, I want to wish you all well. I hope that you will continue to be well. And always, I want to thank you for stopping in. I'm so, so grateful that you think enough of me and what we do over here to keep coming back. I appreciate it. You have no idea. Just grateful. And with that said, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with hugs, blessings, and lots of love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.